Welcome to the spa balcony cabin aboard the Norwegian Getaway. Let's take a quick tour. The Spa Club balcony suite is larger than your typical balcony stateroom. There's a lot more floor space and a ton of storage when it comes to this suite. In the closet, you have a lot of room for clothes. You also get 2 robes, and there's the coffee maker up there where you can make your daily coffee. On the other side of the closet, you have 5 shelves and the large shelf across the top. And then as you turn back over to the counter, there are 2 large cabinets underneath that are big enough for clothing or to store items. On the counter, you have good lighting in the mirror for if you need to do your hair and makeup, a little top lip shelf there, your phone, and then your outlets, 2 regular and 2 European, as well as the main light switch for the room to control the lighting. Underneath, you have the hair dryer and then this wonderful stool, chair, table combo that also has storage in it. It's another place to put stuff. And then this top part lifts off so that you can sit down comfortably, or you can set a drink on it while you're watching TV or just put your feet up. And then in the third cabinet here is the mini fridge. Open it up. You've got all of the stuff that you can buy, as well as, a bottle of champagne available to purchase there. Coming back over, we have the balcony. The balcony is a fairly good size. Definitely could have 2 people sit out here comfortably, but there's not really room for a lounge chair. But it does have wonderful views. This is us in Cocoa Beach at Cape Canaveral. So you get the 2 chairs and a little table. Definitely sit out here and read just fine. Say hi to your neighbors. And then as we turn back, you can see that we did end up getting the queen split into 2 twins. You can see the end tables here with more storage, as well as the book rack up above. There was also room under the beds for our suitcases so that those could be tucked out of the way. And then the thing that really sets this room apart is the bathroom. The bathroom is enormous. Coming in, you have the toilet right inside the door, and then you have the double vanity. Underneath, there are 2 cabinets. There's plenty of room for putting stuff up there. And then the shower is just wonderful. So you have the rain shower that can also have the massaging head. And then as you come down, you will see 6 other spouts in sets of 2. So those can be turned on so that you can get sprayed in different ways. It's wonderful. It's really relaxing. And then you have your handy dandy clothesline. This shower is huge. You could comfortably fit 2 people in there if you were so inclined, but it's really nice to just have space to move, be able to wash thoroughly, get out of the way, let your hair sit, be able to shave, all of that. And then underneath here, you see the towels. There's some more space. That's where the trash can is. There's a drawer, your tissues. Honestly, we had no space issues in the bathroom whatsoever. I'm thrilled with the bathroom. And then also we had the really nice soaps and lotions. So all in all, I do think that the cabin is well worth the extra cost to upgrade to, especially since you get access to the thermal spa. So yeah, have you stayed in one of these cabins? What did you think? Let us know. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe, and we are happy to bring you more of it. Thank you. Bye.